Hello, today we will guide you through how to open Trading 212 account. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading to trading212.com, the official Trading 212 website. Take a quick look at the address bar to confirm you're on the correct site and that the connection is secure. You should see the home page highlighting commission-free investing and an option to begin the sign-up process. On the home page, select the Open Account button. This takes you into the registration flow, and you may be redirected to Trading 212's app portal in your browser. Don't worry if the layout changes slightly. The steps remain the same. Next, you'll be asked to select your country of residence. Choose the country where you legally live. This matters because it determines what services are available to you, the documents you might be asked for later, and the legal terms that apply. If there's a list or a search box, use it to quickly find your country, then proceed by clicking Next. You'll now be asked to choose the type of account you want to open. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the platform. If you're just starting out, select the standard investing option. You can explore other account types later if they're relevant to your needs. Enter your email address. Use an email you check often, since important notifications and security prompts will be sent there. It's a good idea to type it carefully and double-check for typos before continuing. Consider using a personal email rather than a shared or work address to keep access under your control. Create a strong, unique password. Aim for a longer passphrase that mixes letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing a password from another site. This helps protect your account. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and store a secure password. Before you continue, you'll see a checkbox to confirm you agree to the terms and acknowledge the policies. Take a moment to review them if you can. When you're ready, tick the checkbox to confirm. Finally, click Create Account. That completes the initial registration. You should see a confirmation on screen and you may be guided to your account area. Depending on your region, you could be prompted later to verify your email, confirm personal details, or complete identity checks before you can start investing. That's it. You've opened your Trading 212 account. If anything looks different on your screen, follow the same choices outlined here and contact Trading 212's official support if you need help.